a chump or a sucker or something to that effect. Respect I used to never get, cause all I got was upset when it used to be like, what's up, fool? And try to sweat it to like the lip. For no reason at all I can't recall just rolling C's in my face. The alcoholic kicking it in the back of the school eating chicken at 3. Wondering why's everybody always picking on me. I tried to talk and tell him I did nothing to deserve this, but when it didn't work I wasn't scared, just real nervous and unprepared. The deal was scrapping, no doubt. My pappy never told me how to knock it out, but now with 95 of us surviving, a man on my own. Round with fat lip, shit getting blown. I'm not trying to show no macho is shown, but when it's on, then it's on.
You can't keep running away. 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 There comes a time in every man's life when he's gotta handle up on his own. Can't depend on friends to help you in the squeeze. Please, they got problems of their own. They'll put the count on 7 chicken. Just don't get to him until they face these fears in these fear zones. Used to get jacked back up in high school. I played it cool just so some real shit won't get full blown. Be it where I'm from, they let the smoke come quicker than the evil redneck that lets it help this color figure. As a victim, I invented low key till the keyhole itself got lower than me. So I stood up and let my free form free. Said I'm gonna get some before they knocking on me. I don't sweat it. I let the bulls blow in the breeze. In other words, just breathe. Yeah, you can't keep running away. 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 Oh, nah, you can't.
It's 1995 and now that I'm older, stress weighs on my shoulders, heavy as boulders. But I told y'all until the day that I die, I still will be a soldier. That's all I told ya, and that's all I showed ya. But all this calamity is ripping my sanity. Can it be that I'm a celebrity who's on the brink of insanity? Not only wishing of switching any positions with me, cause when you in my position it ain't never easy to do any type of maintaining. Cause all the gaming and faming from entertaining is hella straining to the braining. But I can't keep running, I just gotta keep keening. Honey, yeah, you know what time it is.
Running away. Can't keep running away.